You want to translate it into German, you can do that. You want, whatever marketplace that you're going into. But
so you've been working really hard at your Merch by Amazon account and you want to expand a little bit, right? I'm going to show you in this video how to exactly do that with the other marketplaces. Hi, my name is RJ Martinez, and in this video, I want to talk about uploading to different marketplaces with your Merch by Amazon account, okay? So you're just taking one design and just uploading it across all the other marketplaces, which in return is going to increase your chances of making a sale on that one design and make more money with your Merch by Amazon account. So I just want to share a little bit of an insight with you guys and what I've been testing and what's been working for me personally, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you get any value out of it.
All right, so I want to talk about a little bit about the other marketplaces, right? As you can see, I'm over here in the back end of the analytics. This is Pretty Merch, by the way, and I will have that down below in the description. My affiliate link, of course. So if you come over here, so this month, so June 2021, I just clicked on all the other marketplaces because we're not talking about the US right now. I upload a lot to the US and I've been doing that for several years. But I wanted to show you like it's the increase over there. So I started uploading over here about 2.5 or two weeks, right? I mean 2 months and like a week or 3 days or something like that, 5 days or whatever the heck it is. But okay, so for June, you can see right here the total amount of sales over here so far for this month. It's increasing, right? You're gonna see that I am running ads over here, okay? But the point of this video is to give you a better insight of what's going on. I've been testing this out a lot. My goal for each one of these marketplaces is to get it to over $1,000 per month. So if I go over here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I get all 6 of these marketplaces doing over $1,000 per month, which I believe by Q4 or like in the middle of Q4, it should do that. And you can see that how the steady increase. You can see France. I don't know what the heck's going on over here, but maybe because my royalty is too low. I'm testing a lot with the royalties and stuff like that. I've been in the United Kingdom. I've been pushing up my royalty as far as like the price of the product, right? And I'm trying to keep it all pretty much level across the whole marketplace thing. So yeah, each one is like $19.99. Sometimes I make a royalty sale over $5, right? And that's in euros. So I'm not exactly what that's calculated into USD. That's more like, you know what I mean? But the thing is, I'm looking at this and I'm just like, okay, cool. This is a really good sign, right? Because this is going to be in another stream of, it's like bringing in another stream of income almost, right? So I just want to bring it aware and making sure that you guys are doing this too, to help you guys out to increase profits and earnings and stuff like that with your Merch by Amazon account. So if you come over here and you compare it to last month, right? Which over here, May 2021, okay, you're going to see that everything's increasing, right? So if you compare it to June, so we'll go back and compare right now, you're going to see that everything is increasing. The price of products, I have to increase them a little bit, but I'm testing. When I'm testing, I enjoy testing, so I put prices a little bit lower and sometimes a little bit higher and see if they still sell. And once they start making sales, I'm like, oh, interesting. Okay, people are buying products at this price point, so I'm going to pretty much keep it all level throughout the whole thing. Now, you're going to see Germany and UK, okay? They're pretty much even right here. So you can see from May to June over here, they're pretty much even, right? This one, it should be pushing close to 400 euros. This one should be pushing close to 220 euros. And if you compare it to over here, it's like, you see it? See? Which is really cool because there's going to come a time where each one is going to be doing $1,000 a month. Now, exactly what I'm doing, and I'm going to share this with you guys, exactly what I'm doing. If I come over here to just say the example, this is an example of a design, but only thing I'm doing is coming in here and I'm uploading to basically all the t-shirts. I focus more on standard t-shirts, so I'm uploading them all to, let's just deselect this. This is for the Productor too. This is a little tool inside the Productor. If you're unaware of that, it's a free Chrome extension that you can download. But I press that and just basically that's how I push all my products to the other marketplaces, right? Now, if I see a product that's doing really well, I will upload to another product over there in that marketplace. Okay, but my main focus is standard t-shirts as of right now. So that's all I'm doing right there. And then when it comes to down here, people are asking me, are you translating them into other languages? And I'm like, no, I'm not. I'm just uploading them as is. So I'm focusing on the US and I'm taking that same title, brand, bullet point 1, and uploading them over to each other marketplace. Okay, so I have a video of how I do listings and stuff like that. Check that out. It'll be right up here in the up above. But the thing is, only thing I'm doing is just copying and pasting to other marketplaces. Okay, and inside the Productor you can do that. You can just press, like, say for example, RJ Martinez. Okay, okay, and only thing I'm doing is, let's say this is all throughout the listing. Okay, right there. Oh, this is all throughout the listing. Only thing I'm doing is copy and paste. Okay, and this is with the Productor too. It's really easy to do that. Okay, now I haven't tested out translating them into their own language in the other marketplaces, so I haven't, you know, so for example, like German, I haven't translated into German at all. France, I haven't done that, but I'm just doing it as is, and you're seeing like the results that I'm getting right here. This is it's increased a lot and it's growing, so that's a good sign. Okay, so that's why one of the reasons I'm making the video, because it's a good sign to show me good results. I just want to share with you guys so you guys can see the same thing. But that's all I'm doing, guys. Okay, nothing too crazy. I haven't translated them. You can do it with inside Productor too, by the way. It's very simple. You can like just, I think if you just click translate all, it will translate every single country for you, and it will do just that one click right there, and it will translate everything for you. You come in here, click, you can translate it into, let's say over here, so German. You want to translate it into German, you can do that. You want, you know, whatever marketplace that you're going into. But if you just hit translate others, it will do that automatically for you. It will translate every single, you know, marketplace for you. Okay, so if any of you are doing that and you guys are seeing some type of results and you're making, you know, and making money over there, let me know down below in the comments and see how, if you guys can share with anyone else. Maybe someone else will learn from this. Okay, so watch my other video up here if you want to learn more about print on demand. Give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.